6. Anong oras na? Anong oras na dyan? You know, I am still studying, then my course is tourism management. Then I like to travel. Oh, ba't ang aga mo? Wala ka pang tulog. I travel so Philippines. Yes, I travel. Then I will be your tour guide. Tour guide. Hi, David. You pay me $100. Kapagising. $100, it's 5K, right? Oh, and also my flight through. Zaldi, anong work mo? It's okay to us. What is your name? O, sabi niyo ako, parang di ako naiinip. I am good, David. 6. Kakagising mo lang, Magic. Feel ko pagkakagising, swerte sa Dragon Ball. Diba? Diba, Zaldi? I want to pay you how much? You pay me 10K. ID number. You want to pay me 10K? So after that, I will rest. Because I need to rest. I need to sleep. Okay. Go. You can recharge it now. Magic. Feel ko, swerte ka sa Dragon Ball. Try mo nga. Joke lang. Give me Gcash. No, I don't have Gcash right now. I need gift. Can you pay me? Give me Gcash. Hi, Dad. Zaldi, kailan kaya tayo mananalo ng 10K sa Dragon Ball? Hi, Jay. Kaya ulit. I have no cash right now. What do you have? Hi, ano? What do you have? Gcash only. No, I think you're kidding me. I don't have Gcash. You can recharge. Are you kidding me?